Hi everyone, it's Paris. Welcome back to my channel. So today I tried following Teaira Walker's perfect fall makeup look. I know I'm so late on this train. I know months has passed since people have been trying to follow people's makeup tutorials, but I love this look on her, so I decided to try to recreate it. So you determine if it was a success or a failure, and let's get to the video.
Hey guys, teaira here. Welcome back to my channel.
So
today
pretty.
I have this fall makeup look. I am truly obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. It's so warm. It's so fall.
That's why I'm doing it.
This reminds me of
That's why I'm doing
in fall because you know how they have all the pretty, beautiful reds, burnt orange.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the actual start of the tutorial.
Are you guys excited about fall? I feel like this is my first fall in LA, and I don't know.
So she uses the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer as an eyeshadow base, and I have never done that before, but yeah, I'm gonna see how it works.
Really matter in LA, but I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if it gets like a little chilly. I know it doesn't get super cold here, but I wonder if it gets like a little chilly. I know at night, actually yesterday was so cold. I haven't been outside today, but it is chilly in LA, and I did not move here for this weather.
In the middle, well, the third one from the top. I'm watching because my computer is like right here. I'm gonna try to
Bring it up into this inner corner socket of my eye.
I'm gonna try to add the video onto the screen. Hopefully it works.
I'm gonna go in with the brown shadow right now.
Oh no. Not done. Okay. Have to blend. You have to blend. Because right now I'm looking a little crazy. Let's hope it all comes together in the end. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so sad. So sad.
I'm gonna go into this brown right here.
Oh, I think she
right
used.
Under. So I'm just giving it like a transition.
I think she used the one I just used, so I'm gonna have to go with one of these for a darker brown. I think that works. I feel like her orange is like a little bit closer to her eyebrows than it is on me. But, so yeah, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit more. The struggle of trying to get your eyeshadow to turn out like the video that you watched. Okay, she's moved on to foundation, so I'm gonna do mine.
Because I usually don't go this dark with
Okay,
my
she's going to contour.
contour shade, but my face
I'm gonna use
bright right now.
I'm gonna use the Rihanna's Match Trio.
The best thing about fall is that you can wear any makeup that you want, you know? You can go as heavy as you want.
I normally don't contour, but we're gonna see how it turns out. And I can't buy another Shape Tape one because they're canceled. I like NARS anyway.
But how satisfying is this black beauty blender?
I have this one from Shop Miss A, and it was literally $1 and like 70 cents.
Let me know if you guys think, like, from now on, should I just skip this step when I'm doing makeup? Like the foundation, highlight, and contour? Because I feel like
no, sis.
Every time, you know?
We need to see it.
I feel like it gets a little boring.
We need to see it all.
I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I hate the container.
We need to see it all come together, so keep it. Keep that step. I learned this from her because my smile lines, like, they're already creasing.
I'm going to take my MAC Skin Finish.
Hold on. Not there yet.
I'm going to take my MAC Skin Finish powder in medium deep, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face.
I'm in the shade dark. Never done this step before even. I should get a bigger brush. Let's try this one. I just feel like I have on so much makeup right now.
I'm going to put Cork by MAC on my lips because I just don't like the way my lips be looking, you know. Sometimes I just do my lips.
Okay, so I have Chestnut by MAC, and I thought I had Cork, but apparently I don't. This will work.
Get some stuff. I'm going to take that same burnt orange shade right here and apply it to my bottom waterline.
So I have my palette again.
I'm going to use Rodeo Drive.
Right. So the shade she's using looks similar to Moonlight in this palette. I think there's I just had to show y'all how much of a struggle it is to put on lashes. Like, why am I still struggling? I've been doing this for the past like 7 minutes probably, just trying to put on lashes. It is such a struggle. Why? And then the fact that she didn't put on eyeliner, like, it's gonna show everything. It's always the corner they wanna, like, fly up and tell everybody hello. So what do you guys think? How do you think I did? I think I did okay. I mean, it's not exactly like hers, but I mean, for just watching a tutorial and trying to follow it step by step like I've been doing for years, it never turns out exactly how it's supposed to turn out. And that's okay. I mean, for the most part, I've never done a look like this before, so I think it turned out okay. Like I said, I can definitely use some more practice and just some more like technique and skills building, but for the most part, I do like how it turned out. What do you think? So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried to follow a tutorial on YouTube and was it a fail or was it a success? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!